Huawei just launched the Enjoy 70X, the latest model in its Enjoy 70 series, in China. Huawei Enjoy 70X comes in gold black, snow white, lake blue, and spruce green colors. Pricing starts at 1,799 Chinese yuan, $246 for the 128 gigabytes. Enjoy 70X supports Beidou satellite connectivity in China. Enjoy 70X is built around a curved 6.78-inch OLED with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The panel houses a pill-shaped notch, a circular camera module on the rear panel with a distinctive star ring design. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with a 2MP macro camera for close-up shots and an 8MP front camera for selfies. The Enjoy 70X is equipped with the all-new Kirin 8000A 5G software. Side is covered by HarmonyOS 4.2. Massive 6,100 mAh battery that supports 40W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.